We're here today for the ribbon cutting for the Route 123 Braddock intersection.
The improvements here were designed to reduce the delay experienced by drivers.
Getting people to move through this intersection is really important because a lot of people come through here every day. And the number of people coming through continues to increase and will continue to increase.
The county did an interchange study for this intersection, and when they looked at the traffic numbers, they found by 2030 the traffic numbers in the AM peak period would increase over 30%, and in the PM peak period it would increase over 20%. We've installed an additional turn lane on southbound 123 and northbound 123, as well as lengthened a turn lane on eastbound Braddock Road. We relocated the trail that was adjacent to Route 123. We also redid the signal poles, put in all new mast arms, as well as extensive drainage improvements in the area.
Let's get to cutting the ribbon.
The problem that was here was just too many cars for the level of service that the intersection could provide. And by increasing the amount of lanes, it lets more people move through the intersection. So it's a way that we can address capacity issues at the intersection without spending a lot of money.